Hi guys, welcome to another weekly market breakdown on Euro USD and GBP USD. So we're gonna do a top-down analysis on Euro USD and GBP USD, and also I'll give you guys my outlook, my forecast for the week. So this is Euro dollar on the 1 month time frame, on the monthly time frame. So let me just clear up the chart and then we start the analysis. All right, so this is what the chart looks like. Let me just leave this horizontal line right here. So as you can see on the chart, price came and took out these lows and then gave us an indecision candle right here. And then ever since then, price has just been moving up to the upside, right? So just on the monthly time frame, there are key areas I'm looking at price. And I think price should come and take out these areas before we potentially see the reversal to the downside, right? Because most of the time, what the price does is that it goes, takes liquidity out, then moves to the opposite direction. It's more like price moves from liquidity to liquidity. So what moves the price is the liquidity. When the price takes out liquidity to let's say at the upside or the buy side liquidity, that has a lot of fuel or volume or force to move downwards, right? So right here, price took out this liquidity here and it has started moving to the upside, right? So now there are two areas I'm looking at on the higher time frame, right? One here and the second area I'm looking at is this week right here. So currently, this is where the price is, and I think we're likely going to see Euro USD take out this high here or this high here before we see a move to the downside that will come and take out this blue right here. But this is on the monthly time frame, and these movements are not just small movement. This is a potential like 100 and above pips movement. So we still can get a lot of trades within this this price range, right? So let's go to the weekly. This is what the weekly looks like, right? This is the bottom right here, right? This is the bottom right here. As you can see, two indecision candles or whatever you want to call it. The wicks to the downside, and then we got that bullish engulfing and price is just pushing to the upside. So if I'm to mark out liquidity that was taken right here, you can see how it looks like. Liquidity was taken and then price started shooting to the upside, right? So where is the next liquidity that price will likely take out? Where is the next draw on liquidity? It's obviously right here, this week right here, this week right here. So I think Euro USD will likely continue being bullish until it takes out this point, then we wait to see what price does, and then we follow accordingly. If you want to, if it's based on the market structure, you can notice that price is in a kind of a range, right? So right now on the weekly time frame, you will see that price is in a range right here. It's not like here that you see prices in a very obvious downtrend, right? So right about here, you can just see that price is more like taking liquidity to the upside and to the downside and just moving in this range. So my next draw on liquidity that I'm going to potentially look to target is right here. So I want to see Euro USD. I'm leaning more on Euro USD being bullish to come and take out this liquidity right here before we potentially see some bearish movement to the downside. Now, CPI is coming up on Tuesday this week. That's something to look out for because CPI is a high impact news and it can potentially drive price either up or down. So just be careful and watch out, trade carefully, and don't over leverage, don't trade without your stop losses and all of that. So going to the daily time frame, daily also looks, more like it. I still have another area of liquidity that price will potentially want to take out right here. So this is a relative equal high, as you can see, relative equal highs that price will still likely take out. So I'm still very bullish on Euro USD, especially because it has obviously been bullish right from taking out this low right here. So it's only wise to follow the trend, right? It's only wise to follow the trend. So on the daily time frame, you can see we are in sort of a bullish trend after taking this low right there. So where is the next draw on liquidity? Where is price most likely gonna reach before it turns bearish again. Here, and even potentially higher to the top right here. So that's my bias. That's what I expect to see on Euro USD. So what is my game plan? How do I intend to take advantage of this move if it's gonna happen? What I intend to do is to just wait to see price come back down, take out some liquidity below, and then give some indication that it wants to buy, then I look for an entry. So the liquidity I'm going to be looking at is this week right here. So I want to see price come back down, take out this week, and potentially come fill in this imbalance. Maybe tap into this other block on the 4-hour. Then I look to buy and target this relative equal highs right here, right? So this is what I'm looking to do, something like this. 78 pips and get, or maybe price comes lower, right? So somewhere here. If I get like a 20 pip stop loss, that would be cool. That would be nice. So moving into Monday, that's tomorrow, a new week. This is what I'm looking to do on Euro USD. This is what I expect to do on Euro USD, especially going into the early week, like Monday, Tuesday. I expect Euro USD to come down a bit, take out some liquidity, and then push and take out this high right here. So that's it for Euro USD. Let's look at GBP USD and see what's going on right there. So this is GBP USD. Let's go to the monthly. So on the monthly is even very, very clear on GBP USD and very obvious that the next round liquidity is this high right here. So let's see. So having given printed this very strong, even though this candle is the monthly candle, so it's not yet closed, but then at least we can still see that price is going pushing up very, very strong, right? So this is my 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 liquidity zone that I'm looking to see price take out, right? If you go to the weekly, let's see how the weekly looks like. Now the weekly candle has closed in a very strong bullish engulfing way. So what I just did was to mark out areas of liquidity, right? We have this week right here that also serves as liquidity. We have this top right here. And then how do I intend to play this? Now I'm anticipating or I'm hoping to see GBP USD give us some retracement before it continues to bullish move, right? So this is like a previous area of, you can call it resistance, or you can even call this another block on the weekly time frame, right? So I'm waiting to see if GBP USD can give us something like this, and then we look to buy to the top right here, or even all the way to this high right here. So it's very possible. Let's just see how it goes. So on the daily time frame, you can see GBP USD has been ranging. We got this breakout to the top. So it's possible we get a retracement first, then it continues, or it may just continue buying to the top and clears out this week. So right here, 4-hour, the same thing. So guys, on GBP USD, how do I intend to play this out? On GBP USD, I really will want to see price come back down to a discounted area before I buy. I can't buy just right here. And in fact, get us, I will see something right here, and I want to sell the market at least to somewhere here, right? I want to sell the market to somewhere here. This will be my target. If I see the market give me a confirmation and an entry signal to short right here, because I feel the market is overbought at this point, and buyers will be more interested in getting in at a lower price, right? So let's just see how it goes. And remember, you only trade after you've seen your confirmations. You only trade when you see your trading setup. You don't just jump into the market because you feel like jumping into the market. So guys, this is it for the weekly outlook and trade breakdown and forecast and market forecast. I hope you got value from this. If you did get value from this, please don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. Also check the description of this video. You're going to find a link to my Telegram channel where I share all the trades that I take and some nuggets and educational content. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.